My past experience with manufacturing is hobbyist 3D printing. I have an MSLA printer and an FDM printer, and I very much enjoy spending my free time using them. My hobby 3D printing led me to Lyndex-Nikken. I very much enjoy it, and I wanted to try to improve myself and develop skills in other fields of manufacturing. My advice to someone starting a career in manufacturing would be to keep on pushing through. It's a steep learning curve, but the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow is worth it. I like to keep up to date with trends in manufacturing by following social media and attending events. I have plans to attend a job shop automation conference that I am very excited for. Lyndex-Nikken is enabling me to enhance my skill set. I will be taking a course on industrial robot automation and programming, and I am very excited to do so. My goals moving forward with my career at Lyndex-Nikken are to take any opportunity to learn and grow and do whatever I can to help push us into the future of automation. I've been incredibly lucky to be involved with the launch of our EZ-Automation line. I'm very excited to continue working with our EZ-Bot, our cobot-based, job shop targeted machine tending solution. We have a cart that is modular, easy to set up, and fantastic for job shop applications. I've had the opportunity to work with programming the robot, integrating it into our machine, and giving advice on the cart itself. I've also had the great opportunity to work with our EZ-SmartTower, which is a dynamic light tower designed to replace your pre-existing light tower and offer spindle uptime analytics. Our EZ-SmartTower is an easy and cost-effective way to step into Industry 4.0. It's a dynamic light tower replacement that allows you to centralize spindle optimization into one application. I've had the opportunity to work with our EZ-SmartTower in a variety of ways. I've done our integration for it. I've worked with our application to find improvements to make the user experience better, and trained our salesmen to have a better understanding of the product.